Hi guys, it's Hani here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm back with another episode from my farm animal cookie series. First though, let's do a quick recap of previous tutorials. First week we did cow, pigs and sheep cookies. Second week we tackled rooster, hen and chick. Third week it was all about bunny, cat and dogs. And today we're going to make horse and duck cookies. All the tools used in these tutorials and all my cookie decorating tutorials can be found in the description box under the video. So let's start with the duck. I'm using edible marker, drawing the outlines, and now we're gonna start with the head using brown royal icing. I'm using 15-second consistency royal icing. Now take yellow royal icing and outline the bottom part of the cookie and also flood it with 15-second consistency royal icing. I'm going to let this crust for 10 minutes or so, and then we can use white royal icing and fill in the gap. Let that crust again, and then you can make the beak using orange royal icing. For the beak you can go with 20-second consistency. Let that dry, and now we can make the eye. I'm using white royal icing for the base. About 20 to 25-second consistency is good, and then you can make a dot with brown royal icing. Then just a tiny bit of black, and then use a little bit of white for the reflection on the edge of black. Use edible marker to make the nostril. And now we're going to use yellow royal icing to make the wing. Use your needle tool to accentuate the points. And then also at the bottom of the wing, while still wet, you can use your needle tool to shape the icing. Now you can either use edible marker for the beak to finish up the mouth, or you can use royal icing. So we have two options. Now we're going to add few details using piping consistency royal icing. Now let's start with the horse cookie. I'm using edible marker, drawing the outlines on my cookie. If needed, you can also make yourself a paper template if you find that that's easier than the free hand drawing. Now we're gonna start with the legs using white royal icing, 15-second consistency. Then make the muzzle with white as well. And you can go up the head a little bit. Use your needle tool to shape the icing and make it smooth on the top. Now we're gonna use brown royal icing, outline the horse and we're going to blend the white with brown with a needle tool. So I'm going to add a little bit of icing just on the edge there, and then right after we're gonna blend it, and then I will continue and I will flood the whole cookie. Let it crust, and then you can start working on the ears. For the ears, use icing that is thicker, about 20-second consistency, and shape it while icing is still wet. Let that crust and finish the second ear. Now you can make the tail. For the tail, also option for icing that is a bit thicker than 15-second consistency, and let the layers crust before you add the second layer. Now with black wheel icing, about 20-second consistency, you can make the hoof. Now add more layers to the tail. Make the eye, use white royal icing for the base. Add a dot of brown, and then white for the reflection just on the edge. Now we can make the mane. I'm using dark brown royal icing, about 15 to 20-second consistency. Use your needle tool to shape the icing. Now with piping consistency we can outline the horse. With edible marker, make the nostril. And here are the finished cookies from today's tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to let me know what you think in a comment section down below. If you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button next to the subscribe button so you get notified about my new uploads. Be sure to share this video on social media and don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see previous episodes from Farm Animal Cookie series, check the description box under the video. There is a link to the playlist and you can find them all in the playlist. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you next time.